side. I mean, you got the whole team now. Yeah, there's quite a few now. 3 or 4 can see. Right. They're all out of range. Unless you've got good range.
Not great, like it's decent.
I doubt you get it. There's a bit of two bushes in between. You don't get through, do you? Not worth it. But we're in open, so they can get up.
Yeah.
Fire! I've actually started an actual fire. Really? Stamping it out. I threw immortals.
Oh god. Don't stand for
Whoa!
Watch out that way. Yep!
Good side on the right there.
Step on!
Don't come me. Oh. What's this guy? He's waiting for a pistol shot.
He's just basically waiting. They're coming eventually.
Yeah. What the fuck about? I've got a pistol and shoot one in the head. Oh! Hey, fair! Don't you like me? Fuck off!
Where am I going? They're all there.
You still got BBs, yeah?
Uh-huh.
How did they get me?
Nowhere here.
I've always got kamikaze into their sword with a grenade when they come in.
Yeah, told it. Fuck you, boys!
I'm getting hot out there now.
In. Thank you.
Remember the one when the grey comes in.
Right. Oh, they're everywhere, aren't
I reckon we get in there on the other side of that. We ain't got a choice.
That picture is. Inside, do you want to poke your head round the corner?
Don't know about that.
Where'd it go? Oh, he chucked it from there to there. I didn't even see that, I don't even know why.
Oh, they're getting very close.
Oh god. Ooh.
Hmm?
Drag out. Okay. You're not left-handed, are you?
No. Oh, damn, this is it.
Oh god. Come on out! There's one on the riverbed!
Can't take out the gunboat, can we?
No, we'll have to... Is there any way we can...
I have not thought.
Sorry, oh god, yeah.
Big three.
Sorry?
Big three.
I'm not sure. Fire, stop. Oh god. Arson. Sorry,
Awesome.
But Connor's still there.
Connor, there's one on the black building. The fence thing, whatever the fuck you want to call it.
Oh, Satan.
There's one on the other side of the riverbank. Is Dave still alive?
Run out there and go, I don't know what.
Oh, good. Just sprint in.
Sprint up!
Sprint to the slope.
Connor, I'm going to push up.
I can't see my pants.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. There's a guy at the flat. Yep.
We're right that side now because we got.
Go down that end and look
Don't
round the
join
corner.
Connor if you can.
Let's stick here. There's another fire.
Fire!
Fire!
Jump on it! Watch out, mate. At that black barrier, there's one.
Yep.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, green smoke.
Connor! At the black barricade.
Whoa! Jesus.
They're on fire around here, aren't
It's a lot of smoke, that's all.
We're gonna smoke out. It's like bees. It's gonna be like bee movie.
Oh!
From Barry Benson. You dropped something! You dropped your mag! You dropped something! I don't know where it is! It's on the...
they? Oh, damn.
Oh god, Harry! Oh shit, look down there! Oh god! This is like the film of this!
You're not asthmatic, are you?
Where? Oh!
That hit my foot.
What's that?
I don't know.
What's that? I don't know if it's ricochet. I'll take it. I'll take
I'll
it.
take it. Yeah.
I'll take it.
Fight with any remaining pyrotechnics you may have.
Oh, frag out.
A few moments later.
Well, I've done one of them, the other one.
Oh, here goes. Yeah, yeah. It was over there, out of the way.